Okay, everyone, this is a cool, amazing surprise. So we are at what most of you would think is Costera with that view, right? I'm going to turn the camera around to Chef Deborah Scott. All right, Chef Deb, tell us what's going on.
We are so excited. Tonight is our mock dinner service for our pop-up Island Prime, which will be held out here on the harbor float. And my biggest fear at this point is that now all of our guests dining this evening are going to want Island Prime to remain out here on harbor float. Other than that, I'm super excited. Our chef Emiliano has come up with an incredible menu. I think you're going to be blown away by it. Very, very excited. And it's funny, just turning lemons into lemonade here, right?
Yes.
But luckily for us, and we have all this space to expand. See, our dining floor there all the way down to the end of our banquets now. So we have tons of outdoor dining up there. And now we have this 66-seat outdoor venue for Island Prime. And how lucky are we?
What a pivot, right? I love it. I like turning lemons into limoncello, but we'll be delivering you some. We're just waiting on our labels. The marketing department put together some cool labels. Oh, this is for you.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
This is for you. So the candle is from Kalala down in Florida, and the lollipop is from Megan that does Lick It Lollipops. So two female business owners,
Oh my gosh.
right? Yeah, you're welcome. So tell us a little bit about the menu.
Okay. Well, the menu is here, and the exciting thing about the menu, if you want to maybe even show...
I'll show it.
So we'd be able to look at it?
Yep.
But the exciting thing about the menu tonight is that all of our steaks are coming off of a mesquite grill.
Whoa, let me do a little,
Right over here.
that's crazy, look at that.
And all of our scallops are coming off of an Evo grill, which is right on the other side there.
Okay,
So we're doing all this in action cooking. And so
that's even cooler than,
that, we have set up a gourmet station.
what's that?
Gourmet is like a cold station. So all of our oysters, all of our ceviche, all of that comes out of gourmet.
Garmage, I've never heard that word. Garmage, I need that in my vocabulary.
And then in the back is all our mise en place. And mise en place,
What's that word?
it means everything in its place. It's all of our ingredients that you put together to create a meal.
I've never heard of that
There
either.
you go. So anyway, that's all set up in the back, and then the plate up will be right here in the front. And so it's kind of a circular rotation of service.
That is genius.
Yeah. Well,
Very cool idea.
a lot went into planning it, but we think we have it down, and you will see the plates tonight are going to be gorgeous. So I think you'll be super excited with what we're putting out.
Chef Deborah, we are honored to be here tonight. And there's another special guest that we have, Chef, well not Chef, but Peter Mendiola and his beautiful bride, Yvonne. And instead of looking at them on a Zoom camera, like we have been doing for how many months now? 4.5?
It seems like
Like,
a year.
honest to God, it's like I have goosebumps just getting to see human beings, you know?
I'm so very excited about it.
Ah.
When I first pitched it to Jeff, I'm not sure if it was that well received, but after we thought about it, talked about it for a while, that's how new ideas come about, collaboration. And we've been together 17 years, so
I
we have
love
to be
Jeff.
working together.
He's so handsome too,
Yeah.
isn't he? He's a handsome devil.
Yes, he is. So
Well-
it's going to be an exciting night, and everyone coming tonight are regular guests. I can't see really what we have here, except for right there is the president of the North County Chamber.
Oh wow, yeah.
Right next to us here. And anyway, all the people coming tonight will be regular long-term guests of ours. And you were the first call.
Oh my gosh, that is so, thank you.
It's our pleasure to have
So honored.
We appreciate it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah. We love
you.
you.
I hope you have a fun time tonight. I know I'm going to.
I'm gonna take a walk over there with my mask and stand not close so I can take a picture.
Chef Travis Schweikert,
Oh, Travis is here?
who's with us tonight.
You're kidding.
Travis is working Gourmet, and he
Oh.
knows what Gourmet is.
Now tell Peter and everyone here in Yvonne about Chef Travis and what he's up to. Wait till you hear this story.
My best friends and my former employee 10 years ago is Chef
Park and Island, that beautiful, beautiful building that Chef Giuseppe used to be in with his place. So we can't wait for that to open. I've texted him a little bit during COVID to check on him to see how he was doing.
Yeah, so it took a little longer, maybe October, November. In the interim, Travis is working with me, and he right now is working with the guys at Island Prime. He's over here doing garmage, as I said.
Garmage, my new favorite word.
And then we have
Sounds fancy.
in the back, who's my executive chef at Island Prime.
Nice.
And then also with us is Henry, and that's the gentleman right there. Also is from Baloo Soup in New York City.
Whoa.
Now, Henry is working with us at Island Prime. When we open Cali, then he'll be moving over to Cali.
What a team.
So we have the dream team here tonight.
That is fantastic. All right, I'm going to run over there quickly and safely and get Chef Travis, if I can, on the, what's it called again, the word he does? Miage?
Oh, the garmage.
Garmage.
Mise en place is all of our stuff that we put together to create everything in the back, and that's where Emiliano is.
Okay.
And then we have Henry Wayne.
Oh, it's big back there. It's really big, you guys. If you stand up and look over there, wow.
Yeah, you want to walk in the back?
Yeah.
Like all the way in the back of the kitchen?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
You kidding? Of course I do. All right, we're getting a tour behind the scenes, you guys. How cool is this? Whoa, oh, I love those pants. Those are so flippin' cool. Very saucy.
Down below is all of our storage. It's gigantic. It's
Oh
big
my
top.
gosh.
The exact space that we have up top is absolutely amazing.
Look at
here we have
this.
Chef Emiliano.
Chef Emiliano. Hi, you guys. Facebook Live. Say hi. This is super cool.
You can see they've got all their mise en place right here.
Oh, my word.
Okay.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
We have a nice little walk in here where we're able to store all of our cold storage. From.
Nice.
And then we have a dish area over here. I would
Wow.
never think all this was back here, right?
Never. This is super cool.
Walk around here to Garmage.
Garmage.
Our team over here.
Hi, you guys.
Travis probably stepped away for a minute, and then the bar is up here. You can kind of get a quick shot of the bar area up here.
Neat.
There we go.
Very cool.
Yep.
This is a great pivot. Super cool. You guys are going to kick it tonight.
Yes, we are.
So excited to meet you.
Very excited.
Yeah. Nice to meet you as well.
Henry and his wife works.
My wife works at Port Oak. She's up in Port Oak.
Oh, that's right across the street from my office.
Tell them about
I'm at 902 Fort Stockton.
Oh, absolutely. So we're going to plan a pop-up Brazilian dinner. She's Brazilian, so we want to do
She's
Brazilian
Brazilian.
and have it out here in the flow.
Whoa.
Like same kind of idea, have a big grill. Have our cook
Love
out.
Brazilian food. Oh, nice.
Linguiça, everything. Yeah, it's gonna be
Delicious.
super excited.
Very cool.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Look at how pretty everything is.
And then, of course, we have restrooms around the corner of the back.
Oh, I didn't know there were restrooms down here. Huh.
There's Chef Travis right there.
Chef Travis.
Ronnie.
Hey, hey, hey.
Ronnie the man right
You're
there.
on Facebook Live.
Yeah, MaryBeth.
How you doing? Super stoked to see you.
Super nice for a.
Oh, for a barge? I love it. Beautiful
Yeah.
bathrooms. Oh, it smells good in here. Right? And look at that. The view to dine for.
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby, these digs. Very beautiful.
And here we have Kenny Adamski. Kenny's our AGM.
Oh, hey there, Kenny. You're on Facebook Live. Yeah? Telling everybody about this awesome pivot you guys are up to.
Isn't it great?
Yep. Super cool. Thank you.
I wanted to do this forever. Now it's here. Yeah.
Very excited.
I love this. Super cool. I'm going to also upload this to YouTube and send the link that you can post it on different
I love
sites.
it.
You guys are doing a great job. Thank you all. Everybody's keeping safe and healthy and physically distancing while staying socially connected. Right? Thank you, Chef Dad. That was so cool. Mwah. I love you.
Thank you. Love you and thank you so much.
Oh, absolutely. Are you kidding? Thank you.
Hope you enjoy.
Thank you.
Oh, they're far better. And
So-
they're less expensive. When you go, you're with the owner winemaker. You buy a bottle of wine to count your tasting step 3, like in Temecula. You gotta buy 3 bottles just to count the tasting. The tastings are ridiculous up there.
Say hi, you guys. Facebook Live.
Are you still on?
Connie Danielson is on. Quite a bunch of people. So we went back in the kitchen and got to see it and got to see Chef Travis. Oh my gosh, Sandra! Okay, hey Chris! Clients of mine 21 years ago.
Yeah.
21 years
still
ago.
in the house.
Yes. So,
Beautiful house it is.
and Chris is a huge architect in San Diego. So this is Peter and Yvonne, and they're the owners of Coldwell Banker West. And
Are we supposed to be doing this?
no, we're not supposed to be.
I have my sanitizer.
Put your mask on, put your mask on. I turn my head and you turn. Honey, no. So Sandra, Chris. I'm not shaming you, honey. So Sandra is my fashionista. So she'll come to our house and shop your closet for you. So Sandra owns a business called Mariposa, and we've done, like, even on Zoom, she's doing corporate like wardrobing and styling for people. And Chris is like a badass architect, big time. Big time. So I met them when they didn't even have their daughter, who is now, yes, you had your little dog, and sold them their house on Vermont Street, and then sold them a house on Curtis in Point Loma, and remained friends. Yeah. I love you guys.
So far we love it. 21 years.
That's good. That's the idea.
Yeah, but oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm serious.
That's okay, honey. You don't get. You don't get.
No, I'm saying thank you. I hope I don't die, but I'm
Love, love, love you guys. I'm so happy we can like wave to each other from afar. Hey, Chris. Chris, make her not feel bad, okay? See you guys. We will. We'll do it. I promise. Love you guys.